Hello and welcome to the TPP Learning Academy. Today we're going to look at booking an appointment through the Airmid app. To start, click on the menu up in the top left hand corner. Choose Appointments and this will show you any pre-booked current appointments. To book a new appointment, click on the plus in the bottom right hand corner. Choose the unit you wish to book into. Where we can see a list of the clinicians available, selecting the clinician will allow us to book into one of their appointments. The month bar through the middle of the screen will show that anything with a green bar underneath it has appointments available. Anything with a grey bar below it have no appointments available on that day. To book an appointment, select the time that you wish to book into. This will then give you the details of the appointment. You can add to remind me and add it to your calendar, enter an optional reason, and then click book the appointment. You will then get a success message once this has happened. The appointment now displays in their current list of appointments. This has now been successfully booked.